What is the unit? How time is measured? Time is measured in second. My dear student, time is measured in second. Is it okay? Now the next one, and the next one is area. Area. Area is measured in a square meter. Area is measured in a square meter. Okay? At the time of copying, you will mind it. Whatever you will copy correctly in beautiful handwriting. Okay? So that at the time of learning, whatever you will learn the correct answer. Okay? So, take care. Spelling must be correct and your writing will be beautiful. Okay? Let's go ahead. Volume. Fifth GK is volume and its unitage. And its unit is cubic meter. Cubic meter. You have to learn all these units because physical quantity and its unit very, very important in any examination, whether in school examination or in competitive examination. Such type of questions are asked. Then, how will you answer correctly? Quite it is. Solution is quite easy. Solution is quite easy. There is no formula. There is no particular formula, my dear student. You have to learn and learn and learn. केवल याद करना है. जैसे समय का इकाई क्या है, तो सेकंड है. याद करना है. इसी तरह से तरह तरह के फिजिकल क्वांटिटी हैं. कोई खास कोई फार्मूला नहीं होता है बच्चों. इसका जो यूनिट तय किया गया है उसको लर्न ही करना पड़ेगा, है ना. समझ रहे हैं ना मेरी बात को. तो इसीलिए ज्यादा दिमाग नहीं लगाएंगे अपना. जो सर लिखाए हैं यूनिट को, फिजिकल क्वांटिटी और उसके यूनिट को, उसको लर्न करना है अच्छी तरह. ठीक है. अब आगे बढ़ते हैं. आगे है बच्चों डेंसिटी. आगे कौन सा फिजिकल क्वांटिटी है? डेंसिटी, है ना. डेंसिटी का यूनिट होता है किलोग्राम पर क्यूबिक मीटर. नेक्स्ट वन इज एक्सेलरेशन and its unit is meter second square. Meter per second square.
ये ऐसे के दिमाग में नहीं आया है. ठीक है.
Number 9. Number 9 GK is. Number 9 GK is
करके रखा हुआ.
Force.
यहाँ भी करके.
Number 9 GK is force. Force. Its unit is Newton. It is very easy. It is very easy to keep it in your memory. यह जो है आपको याददाश्त रखने में फोर्स का इकाई यूनिट बहुत आसान है. फोर्स का जो है बच्चों, फोर्स का इकाई हो जाएगा, यूनिट हो जाएगा न्यूटन। है ना आसान, कोई दिक्कत नहीं होनी चाहिए। चलिए हम लोग आगे देखते हैं। नेक्स्ट फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज स्पेसिफिक हीट। स्पेसिफिक हीट and its unit is joule kilogram।
हाँ पहले नहीं निकालिए।
0 डिग्री सेंटीग्रेड। latent heat number 11 physical quantity it is। latent heat, its unit is joule kilogram। joule kilogram, you understand? Once again, latent heat, its unit is joule per kilogram। Now the next one is power of the lens। power of the lens, and what is its unit? Its unit is diopter। diopter, power of the lens, it is measured in diopter। Okay, now look the next one, and the next physical quantity is luminous intensity। luminous intensity, and it is measured in lumen। lumen। now the next one, अगला देखते हैं, wavelength। wavelength, wavelength is measured in meter। wavelength is measured in meter। okay, understanding everybody? Now the next one, is frequency। frequency is measured in hertz। hertz, hertz। electrical potential, and it is measured in volt। volt is the unit of electrical potential। whatever I am teaching you, try to understand, okay, and you will learn completely when you will write correctly in beautiful handwriting। so dear students, write down correctly, beautifully, okay, and whenever you will learn by making sound, not silently। by speaking you learn by speaking, no, not silently। if you learn speaking, your body part will be activated, and all your sense organ will function rapidly, and then you will memorize all the units of physical quantities quite easily। okay, so whenever you learn anything, you will learn by speaking, not silently। Understanding what sir is telling? Try to understand. Okay? Now the next one. Next one is number 17. Number 17, physical quantity is current. Current, it is measured in ampere. It is measured in, dear student, ampere. Okay? Ampere. Current is measured in ampere. Any problem? I think you have no problem to understand. Now the next one. Next is pressure. Next physical quantity is pressure. What it is? Pressure. Pressure. Pressure is measured in Newton per m square. Newton per m square. It is the unit of pressure. Now the next one. Next is momentum. What it is? Momentum. Momentum. This physical quantity is measured in kilogram meter per second. Kilogram meter per second. Once again, I am repeating. Momentum is measured in kilogram meter per second. Heat. Heat is measured in which quantity? Heat is measured in joule. Okay, joule. Now 21. Physical quantity number 21. We shall know what it is and its unit. So, dear student, mind it. Take care. Temperature. Temperature, its unit is Kelvin. Kelvin. Number 22. Number 22 physical quantity is resistance. 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 Resistance is measured in ohm. Resistance is measured in ohm. Understand? Resistance is measured in ohm. Now the next physical quantities. Now the next physical quantity is electromotive force. Electromotive force. And its unit is volt. And its unit is volt. My dear students, whatever I am teaching, are you copying or not? Try to copy clearly, neatly, correctly, in beautiful handwriting. And later on, you will learn completely, because your half-yearly examination is around the corner. Okay. There will be a half-yearly examination in the month of October. It may be held any time after 10 of October. So, get yourself mentally prepared for appearing in the half-yearly examination. Your preparation must be up to date for this examination. So, whatever I am teaching, try to understand. Now the next one. Next one is, dear student, electric power. Electric power. Electric power, its unit is watt. Its unit is watt. सर 10 मिनट से ज़्यादा हो गया इंग्लिश 10 मिनट से ज़्यादा हो गया 10 मिनट से ज़्यादा हो गया इलेक्ट्रिक पावर electric power and its unit is, my dear student, watt. And last and final physical quantity is intensity of sound, and it is measured in decibel. In this way, my dear students, I have written on the board 25 physical quantities and their units, and you will learn it completely so that there will be no problem in the examination with you. Okay? Okay? I think you will surely learn. That's it for today. We shall meet again by tomorrow in the next class. Till then, take care of yourself. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.